Length maybe on the lower side, but again the effectiveness of this man Trent Boult. Straight lines and breach the defence of Particle.
Really excited. I think just to come to a new team and work with new people was always fun. Obviously one familiar face here for me with Trent Boult, who we have a long-standing relationship, so it was great to come back and work with him.
Oh, cleaned him up, Nondre Berger will have the last laugh.
But obviously exciting to work with someone like Nondre Berger, who's up and coming, Sandeep Sharma, Kuldeep Sen, sort of the up and comer and the senior pros in Indian cricket. Looking forward to Navdeep Saini joining the group, but also complementing them as the spinners. I was really looking forward to working with the two great spinners, and obviously with Kesh coming as well, three awesome international bowlers. If you look at our bowling attack, everyone in our team has a very different skill set and a very different way in which they go about things, and it's the being able to put all those skills together into sort of a melting pot and apply them the best we can has made us successful so far. So that's been the fun part about it, and that's the fun part about coming to training. You're working with people who have different skills, they're working on different things, you're trying to encourage them to do different things, different fields, different tactics, different balls, and then hopefully going and see them put them out on the field and have success with it. And that's, for me, that's the fun part of coaching. We talk a lot about creating pressure for each other, taking the ego out. I'm never too worried about who gets the wickets. It's about that collective effort. If we all buy into the fact that we can just string pressure together, someone in our attack is going to get wickets, such as the quality that we have. And I think you've seen that from Yuzi and Ash in particular. Selfless bowling hasn't turned a lot out here at Jaipur so far, but they've got in there, they've got stuck in, they've tried to go for as few runs as we can, and that's meant that at the back end of the game we've created a big block of runs that have given us a buffer where we've closed the game out only by 10-15 runs, and that's what it's about. So for senior guys to buy into that philosophy has been great for me. I said at the press conference the other day, there's a World Cup on, people playing for World Cup spots, and again to put that sort of self-ambition to the side and focus on the team and what the team needs is a really important part of our philosophy, and everyone's doing that so far, and we've had great success so far, so hopefully we can keep doing it.